Pick something you like. Sausage squid skewers. Sausage skewers. All done. Let's make our... Turn on the switch and get ready to grill. Oil. Oil. Let's add seasonings. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue.
Tap on the check mark to finish barbecue.
Honey. Plate you like. Pick a plate you like. It's time to serve the guests. Please try it. How does it taste? Thank you. Delicious.